Karimera International Living. My name is Jacelyn Holmes, and I am so honored to be your guide in Greece, Nafplio. So, Nafplio is a very small town of 20,000, more or less, etsi as we say, and Nafplio is in the southern region of the mainland off the Ionian Sea, and it's about an hour and a half from Athens in an area called Peloponnese. Nafplio is the home to, well, I'm gonna just show you because we're in my house, but I have a really beautiful terrace, and it's the castle of Palmyra. It's pretty cool. Right from my terrace, right? Um, so I was saying to you that, well, we are in the Peloponnese area, which is about an hour and a half from Athens by car. And we also have really great food and wine because we are about 30 minutes from the largest wine producing area in all of Greece, which is Nemea. And about 20 minutes away is Epidavros, which is the largest ancient theater here. And they actually put on real presentations of theatrical delights on the summer evenings while here in Greece. And we're near Corinth and Sparta. It's a really beautiful area that actually feels like an island. And when you look on it on the map, it kind of has that kind of cozy feeling and a little bit farther removed from the mainland. And there's a very small bottleneck that attaches itself to the rest of the mainland. The Ionian Sea is quite warm. It's across from Italy, and it's this really nice sea, and the water is beautiful. So I'm gonna take you all throughout Nafplio and show you all the different and amazing things here to do. And I hope we see you in Nafplio sometime soon. One of my favorite things to do in Nafplio is to visit some of the beaches. They have sandy beaches, rocky beaches, or these little secret beaches nestled within the cliffside. You're right into the mountains and the cliffs, and there's a long nature pathway that goes about 12 kilometers throughout the entire side of the cliff with amazing sea views. And of course, there's a little magical castle in the middle of the water. And then there's the castle up above, which is the castle of Palamedes. We also get about 180 degrees panoramic view of amazing mountains along the side. And there's a wonderful little swimming pool that is a natural swimming pool. And I love to do lengths there because it's so nice to swim in the sea, but also have a little bit of an order. So, as I mentioned, the street and the pathway that goes around 12 kilometers from one beach all through the side of the cliffs, it takes you all the way to the old downtown, which is pretty incredible because you pop out right downtown on the port. And here we have a really great playground for kids or grandchildren. And we take in a lot of super yachts, sailboats, and of course, fishermen boats. And there's amazing restaurants and cafes along the side. And it's always really great to be able to go on an adventure through the sailboat, watching the sunset along the promenade. If you don't feel like walking, we have an amazing choo-choo train that takes you around old downtown, new downtown, and around to all the different historical landmarks. And it's a fun way to see the town. And if you prefer something with a little bit more exercise, you can get on these bikes. They fit about 3 people and go around all downtown. Nafplio is one of 3 towns that has an old Venetian style. It is quite pretty. It's very romantic, and Nafplio's been actually voted most romantic town in all of Greece. And I'd have to agree, there's something very charming and picturesque and romantic about Nafplio. This is the main square, and many different things happen around here. Favorite was the Easter celebrations we just had. Nafplio is a walkable town. It's such a pleasure to walk around looking at all the different things that are going on in the stores, what's happening on the streets. There's lots of live music on the streets. There's a hustle and bustle with people enjoying coffees and wine and food. And there's really great clothing. And it's very much an artistic society because so many of the shops are actually making some of the items that they sell, and it's a really beautiful way to spend your time and a little money from your pocket. The colors of all the flowers and the way that the store and shop owners take care is really nice. This is one of the best gelatos in the town. Delicious gelato. That's the first political building in Greece. Nafplio was actually the capital of Greece before Athens took on that title. And now it is just a beautiful town with all these different pockets of history, culture, and arts. One of my favorite things to do on a Wednesday or Saturday is to go to the market. The fresh fruits and vegetables and the amazing honeys and olive oils. Everything is just top quality and super delicious and fresh. And it's extremely inexpensive to be able to shop here and get these types of products.
Area. Wine, like €2 for wine. €6.
Yes.
Look at the little boy sitting with the cucumbers. Ladies, you came from Canada.
Yeah,
And you're in your 50s, 60s
I'm doing my 60th
in a few days.
in a few days.
And you're thinking about living and investing in Greece.
100%. Not
Yes.
thinking, I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
Yeah, it's happening.
What about you, Victoria?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Not caught on film now, you can't read that.
Yeah.
That's it. You look like big fat liar. Not big fat Greek wedding.
With so many things to do, or to do just nothing at all, we're waiting for you here in beautiful Nafplio.